Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys the lazy day makeup and hair. I also done like 4 different lazy day no heat hairstyles because normally I don't wear makeup on a lazy day, because if I was, like, I'm not sure why, because I like to be a lot more like comfortable and casual, and also, like, not when I'm like lounging around all day. Or yeah, let's jump right into the video.
For the makeup, I'm taking my Too Faced foundation in Snow, and I am just applying this all throughout my skin using my fingers. And I take my Maybelline concealer and I apply this under my eyes to prevent any under eye circles or blemishes and rub it in. Then I take my Mary Kay pressed powder. Then I take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer to make sure, like, to remove the veins and make sure that my eyeshadow stays on all day. Then I take my Christmas Star palette from Too Faced using the shade called Toast, and I'm just applying it all throughout my crease and also my lid, because normally I don't wear glitter eyeshadow like on lazy days. I just want to make this a lot more comfortable. Then I'm taking my Too Faced mascara and apply it onto my top and bottom lashes, and I take my lip gloss Ginger Snap from Too Faced, and that's my makeup. Now onto the hair, I am brushing out to get rid of the knots and tangles. Then for the first hairstyle, I am taking a section of hair and I'm just doing a simple side braid, which is a lot like looser, and I'm braiding out my hair. You're done, you're gonna take a piece of hair and this is a way to frame your face. Hairstyle number 2, I am taking a section of hair from right above my ear and I'm putting up into a messy bun, half up, and I'm just playing it around to make it a lot more messy. And yeah, by creating a top knot, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip your head upside down, and then I'm just gonna like wrap the hair around the bun, and I'm holding it while I put it in the elastic, and then I play around with it. Then for the last hairstyle, you're gonna do the ditch braid. So I am gonna be taking the elastic and I'm just braiding out my hair. I'm starting with the left side and I go all the way down to here, how I normally do it. And sometimes I like tilt my head a little there so it makes it a lot more like athletic like.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. You're so fun, you're so fun, you blow my mind. Hey Mickey, hey Mickey, woo. Hey guys, it's Ro. So this my name's not Ro, it's actually, I'm not Rosanna. It's just that I'm wearing the periodic table that has the cupcakes, and there's like, it's like different towards like the chemistry, like. Yabba dabba doo.